officials. The state government on Friday constituted the State Education Commission, which will be headed by Professor S.M. Sungo of the Department of Education, NEHU. The commission has two advisors. They are former UPSC chairman Professor David Reeds Aimley and former executive member of EMPOS T.C. Marak. Ambrose Marak, the Secretary of Education Department, is its member secretary. The commission, with a term of 2 years, has been assigned various responsibilities. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma on Friday announced the constitution of the commission. The SEC will also be assisted by 12 co-opted members, Sangma told reporters after chairing a review meeting of the Education Department. On the terms of reference, the minister said that the commission would advise the government of Meghalaya on matters related to the school and college system, salary and school and college structures, school management functioning and accountability.
The government of Meghalaya, the cabinet has already decided to set up the Meghalaya Education Commission in 2022, having 4 members to look after all these issues and to study, to assess and to advise the government with certain recommendation and a certain suggestion to ensure pay parity with regards to the salaries of teachers under different aided categories with respect to the government teacher, and to look into the management of aided schools and the colleges, their performance concerning general administrative functioning, operation and accountability of a school management committee.